Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all understood the concept of multiplication with single digit number. Today, let me see division by single digit number.
Today we are going to see dividing 4-digit whole numbers by 1-digit numbers. You know what is 4-digit whole number? If we have 4 numbers together, then we call it as 4-digit number. Look at here, problem A, divide 4206 by 3. Here, how many digits are there in 4206? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the whole number with 4 digit. 4-digit whole number, which we are going to divide it by 1-digit number. Here, 3 is a 1-digit number. 3 is a single digit number, or we can call it as 1-digit number. We are going to divide this 4-digit number by a single digit number. Let me write the given problem as 4206. For division, we have to put the symbol as like this, 3. We are going to divide this number by 3. You have to put the division symbol like this. Okay? Inside that, we have to write the 4-digit number which is given, 4206. By which number we are going to divide? Single digit number. So you have to write here as 3. Outside we have to write as 3. Then let me represent the place value of the 4-digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So up to 1000 places we have, because it is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number always have the place values up to 1000, right? We have to divide it by 3. Let me start with the number 4. We have to divide the given number from thousands place. This thousands place value 4 should be greater than the divisor. This is the divisor. 3 is the divisor. So 4 is greater than 3. So you have to take only one number. If the thousands place value is less than 3, then we have to consider two numbers. Am I clear to you? If this is smaller than the divisor 3, then you have to consider two numbers. Hope you are clear. Now, in thousands place 4 is greater than the divisor 3. So you have to start with the single digit. Say the table, 3 table. You have to do multiplication table here. 3 ones are 3. So you have to write 1 above thousands place, because we are considering thousands place. So you have to write 1 above thousands place. 3 ones are 3. If you say 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. So 6 is greater than 4. So you should not write the value which exceeds 4. 4 விட அதிகமா வர நம்பரை கீழே நம்ம போடக்கூடாது. மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி எழுதும்போது 4 வரலாம், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா 4 விட சின்ன நம்பர் வரலாம். ஸோ 3 டேபிளால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது, ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது 3 ones are போடும்போது we will get the answer as 3 only. If you say 3 twos are, we will get the answer as 6. அதாவது 4 விட அதிகமாக வரும். அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், 3 ones are எடுத்தால் போதும். 3 ones are 3. So you have to write here as 3. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next step, you have to bring down 2. 2. Okay. Now you have to consider these two numbers for division. Let me start multiplication table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. We will get 12. The number 12, we will get it by multiplying with 4. Why I am writing 4 above hundreds place? Because we bring down 2, so I am writing this 4 times above hundreds place. So 3 4s are 12. So you have to write here as 3 4s are 12. Now subtract these two values. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now bring down next place value. Next place value is tens place value is 0. So you have to bring down tens place value. Okay. Now you should get the value as 0 by using 3 table. How many times you get 0 by using multiplication table 3? 3 zeros are 0. So you have to write here as 0. 3 zeros are 0. Now you have to subtract these two values. 0 minus 0 is, obviously we get the answer as 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now bring down the next place value. You have to write 6. Okay. Now again start with multiplication table 3. You should get the answer as 6. 6 கிடைக்கணும். அப்படி இல்லைனா 6 விட கம்மியாக இருக்கணும். 6 கிடைச்சிருச்சுன்னா நம்மளுக்கு எவ்வளோ டைம்ஸ் கிடைக்குதோ அந்த வேல்யூ இங்கே போட்டுருணும். ஸோ start with 3 multiplication table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2 times we get the answer as 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. We no need to consider 0 because 0 க்கு வேல்யூ கிடையாது இல்லையா, இங்கே கன்சிடர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஆனால் இங்கே 1 வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கன்சிடர் 1 with 2. ஓகே, பட் இஃப் வி கெட் த ஆன்சர் as 0 ஆஃப்டர் சப்ராக்டிங் இட், you no need to consider it. You have to consider the single number. 3 2s are 6. Now again subtract these two values. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So you got the remainder as 0. Do we have any place value after 6? No. We don't have. So we have to stop up to this. So you got the remainder as 0. Subtract பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்குது இல்லையா, அந்த ஆன்சர் தான் remainder. We call it as remainder. And what do we call this as? Divisor. And what do we call this as? Dividend. Dividend. We got the answer right. 1402 by multiplying with 3. We will get the answer as remainder 0. So this is the answer for this division. So this is called quotient. Hope you all clear what are the terms we are going to use in division. Dividend, divisor, remainder, quotient. Here quotient is the answer for this problem. Quotient, this is the answer for this problem. And sometimes we use remainder also. Here we got the remainder as 0. For few problems we will get the remainder other than 0. Let me see next problem. In let's 2 part, divide 3254 by 5. We have to write in this format to divide the given number. So this is a 4-digit whole number and this is a single digit number, right? Now you have to start division from thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Always we have to start from greatest place value. Here the greatest place value is 1000. Let me start with thousands place. 3. 3 is a number which is smaller than 5. நம்ம எப்பயுமே செக் பண்ணணும் டிவிஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி. இங்கே இருக்க 3 வெளியில் இருக்க 5 விட சின்ன நம்பராக இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கன்சிடர் 2 numbers. Okay, 2 digits. We have to consider 2 digits to start a division. 3ங்கிற நம்பர் 5 விட சின்னதாக இருக்கிறனால நம்ம டிவிஷன் பண்ண முடியாது. பிகாஸ் 5 டேபிள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. 5 ones are 5. ஸ்டார்டிங்லேயே 5 ones are 5 வரும்போது இங்கே நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் 3 கிடைக்காது. ஸோ we cannot write 5 here. What we have to do? Let we start with 2 digit number. ரெண்டு place values எடுத்துக்கணும். thousands place and hundreds place. Let we start with 32. Now start with table 5, multiplication table 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. We are nearing to 32. 5 six are 30. If we say 5 sevens are 35. 32 விட அதிகமாக இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நாட் டேக் 5 sevens are 35. அப்போ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வரும்? 5 6 are 30. 6 இங்கே thousands பிளேஸ்க்கு மேலே போடணுமா, hundreds பிளேஸ்க்கு மேலே போடணுமா? We have to write above hundreds place because we are considering 2 digits, right? So we have to write number 6 above hundreds place. 5 6 are 30. Now subtract these two values. 32 minus 30. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0, which means 32 minus 30 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down next number, next place value. Next place value is 5. So you have to bring it down. Now you have to consider these two numbers. Let me start with multiplication table 5. How many times you get 25 using 5 table? 5 5s are 25. So you have to write above tens place as 5. 5 5s are 25. Now you have to subtract these two. 25 minus 25, 0. Or you can subtract individually. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. You can write only 1 0 for subtracting 25 minus 25. Now bring down next digit in ones place. 4. Bring down 4. 5 ones are 5. You get the starting answer itself as 5 ones are 5. So you cannot proceed. நீங்கள் இதுக்கு மேலே கண்டினியூ பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ டேக் இட் 5 zeros are 5 zeros are 0. 4 வராது இல்லையா? 5 ones are 5 தான் வரும். அப்போ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 5 zeros are 0. So subtracted. 4 minus 0 is 4. நம்ம இதோட நிறுத்திடணும். Because we get the remainder as 4. This 4 is not a remainder. We bring down from dividend. Now after subtraction we got the answer as 4. This is called a remainder. இங்கே ரிமைண்டர்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா டிவிடெண்ட்லேருந்து நம்ம கீழே நம்பரை கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ இதை ரிமைண்டர்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஆஃப்டர் யூசிங் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் டேபிள் using 5, then only you can get the remainder after subtraction. And we get the quotient as 650. We get the answer as 650 and the remainder as 4. You have to write the answer as 650 and remainder is 4. In this way you have to write the answer if you get the remainder other than 0. 0 தவிர வேற எந்த ரிமைண்டர் வந்தாலும் we have to write it as R. R means remainder. Remainder 4. Okay. Before R you have to write the quotient. 650 answer. Remainder is 4.
Hope you all understood, children. You have to practice more problems in division, then only it will be clear for you. If you want to revise multiplication problems in this chapter, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos from playlist of this channel. Thank you my dear kids.